Hello and welcome to the walkthrough video for Silver Etude number 7. Go ahead and get out your copy so that you can follow along. Remember, your notes and key signature might be slightly different depending on what instrument you play. So if you look at number 7, you should see at the beginning that you're in 4/4 time. And then if you're a flute, oboe, bassoon, trombone, euphonium, or tuba player, you should see one flat, a B flat in your key signature. Clarinets, trumpets, and tenor saxes should see one sharp, an F sharp. Alto saxes should see two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. And then French horns, they should see no flats or no sharps because you're in your key of C. No flats, no sharps. So go ahead and look here with me. You can see some accidentals throughout in measures 1 and 2 and 5 and 6. The tricky thing in this one though is here is when we're going to be using our dotted 8th 16th rhythm. Remember, a dotted 8th gets 3 out of the 4 16th notes. So that would be 1 E and a, 2 E and a, or clapped it would be 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a for your dotted 8th 16th rhythm. So just try counting that first measure with me. That first measure should be 1 and 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and. So you're going to want to make sure every time that you have those dotted 8 16ths that you're counting in your head or counting out loud if we're counting and clapping 2 E and a 3 to help you subdivide that. The other tricky thing in this one's going to come into play here at the end. You've had measure after measure of dotted 8th 16th. We finally get to the end, and then we have a dotted quarter note. That dotted quarter note's going to feel really, really long. So make sure on that one you're thinking 1 and 2 and 3. So go ahead and count and clap it with me. Here's a metronome. Let's count it together. 1 and 2, nice and slow. Here we go. 1 and 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E and a, 1 and 2 and 3 and off and 1 and 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and off. So go ahead and practice that chunk by chunk, measure by measure. You can put 2 measures together at a time. I'd recommend that you go pretty quickly to the play along track with the specialist on your instrument and practice with them. Remember, you can slow that down. Once you've got the rhythm down on this one, it's pretty straightforward. So go ahead and practice with the pro, and then I look forward to hearing your Etude number 7.